Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are well, fit, and fine. Stay safe and stay healthy at home. So, today I will teach balancing chemical reactions. But before that, let me tell my YouTube channel, that is Super Instacover Chemistry. If you like my YouTube channel, please go and hit the subscribe button. I have 7 subscribers for now, but I want more. I have already uploaded one video. I'll be uploading more videos. Okay, so let's not wait and begin. So our today's topic is balancing chemical reactions. Balancing, right? Our topic is balancing. Now, what do we do by balancing? The most and the important thing to fulfill the law of conservation of mass. So, the main and very important thing to fulfill the law of conservation of mass. Now, what is this meaning of law of conservation of mass? This law of conservation of mass means that if A has mass 2 unit means AU. Let us not take one, just a minute, give me, yeah, okay. So 2U and B has mass 4U. So A plus B forms AB. The mass of A plus B will be equal to 6. So that means 4 plus 2 unit it will be. So this means law of conservation of mass, that mass is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. This reactant's mass and product's mass will remain same. Got it? Fine. Now, what is balancing an equation? A balancing equation means to say that whether the equation is fulfilling the law of conservation of mass. Let's take an example. H2 plus O2 will give us H2O, right? Now, how will you balance it? Now, let's see. Zoom out the page. Yeah. So, H2 plus O2 gives H2. Now, if you do not know how to balance, suppose you don't at all know how to balance, what will you do? What will you do is, you will make a chart consisting like this. You will make a chart H2, LHS, H2, O at 2. Okay. On the right hand side, H2 and O1. Now, to make this 1, 2, we can multiply it by 2. Right. So, we are multiplying it by 2. Now, the moment it is multiplied by 2, since there is one compound, this is also multiplied by 2. Now, why this is multiplied by 2 also I will very much explain. This is a one single compound. So, when a number is placed before this, the whole compounds get multiplied by this. So, if O is getting multiplied, H will also get multiplied with that. Because there is one compound, if this would have been two different compounds, then it would have not been multiplied. Understanding? Okay, fine. Moving on. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So H2 plus O2. So we are putting this H. So we have put a 2 here. But what you get is H is becoming 4. But here is 2. What will you do? Multiply another 2. So H is 4, O is 2, here is also H4 and O4. This is thus a balanced equation. So to balance, you need to focus on the different reactions, the different products and the different reaction state that is given in your question. Okay, you need to be very focused on the number of atoms of each element in the question. Okay, let us take another example. Na, we are taking sodium. Just a minute. So we are taking sodium along that with water, what will it form? It will form sodium hydroxide. So NaOH and another H2 is left, so plus H2. So sodium hydroxide plus H2. So Na plus H2 forms NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Zoom out. Yeah, fine. Okay, fine now. Okay, fine. So now how to balance this one? Very tough. No, not at all tough. LHS we find Na1, H2O1. RHS we find Na1, O1, H3. H this 2 plus 1, right? Hydrogen here is something means 1 and here is 2, so 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Sodium is 1, sodium is 1, this part is over. 2 1, 2 3 1 1, 2 3. How will you make this 2 and 2 3? Tell me. See, in this case what you need to do is you need to be very focused on this. See, if you make this 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, then these two will be balanced, right? But we can't do that. Why we can't do that? Because of this see, if we put here 3, oxygen will become 3, and we cannot put here 3 because hydrogen, if we put 3, it will become 6. It will become 3 and plus 2 5, which will not match with this. So that's why we cannot put 3 into, we cannot multiply 3 here, neither we can multiply 2 here. What we will do, you have to apply your intelligence. See, H is 2, H is 1 plus 2, 3. Now see, if I add a 2 over here, that means I am multiplying a 2 with this 2 as well as with O2. So here 4. See, now if we add a 2 over here and a 2 over here, sodium is done, sodium is becoming also 2, oxygen is becoming 2 and hydrogen is becoming 2, and 2 plus 2 will give 4. Got it now? Now the point of doing this view is sodium will multiply with 2, sodium will be multiplied with 2, oxygen will be multiplied with 2, and hydrogen will be left out. Hydrogen will be not multiplied with any number, hydrogen will be left. So NaOH, so 1 hydrogen. See, there are total 3 hydrogen here. Out of the 3, 2 hydrogen is alone and 1 hydrogen is multiplied by 2 into 1, or you can rather write 1 into 2. Clear? Did you get the balancing portion? See, why you are doing this, why you are not putting 3 into 2, because if we put 3 and 2 here, then we will not be able to fulfill the law of conservation of mass. Okay, if you are not understanding, I am putting 2 and showing you. See, we are putting Na plus H2O forms NaOH plus H2. Now see, what your doubt was, that was 2 here, 3 here, 2 here, this. Okay, if we put 3 here, Na will become 2, that's great, perfect, that's greatly perfect, but hydrogen will become what? 6. This side hydrogen will become what? 4. Now how will you match this hydrogen? If you even put a 2 here, then also you cannot match, because hydrogen will become 2 and this will become 4 plus 2, then it will become 6. Right, but it will not become 6. Okay, it is H2, right? So you cannot match it, because you cannot place this 2 over right now in this moment. Why? 3 into 2 6, and O is becoming 3, hydrogen is becoming 6. That's O fine, that's O powerfully fine. But what about the O2? O is becoming 3 and here the O is becoming 2. What will you do with this O now? This O is now disturbing. 2 is 2O and 3O. What will you do with this O now? How can you? Again, you cannot place a number. So putting this is absolutely wrong, because you got the explanation. If we put 3, then O will not match, and if we put 2, then only O will match. So in these cases, you need to be more focused on, you need to use your intelligence in which way, if we do all the things, will get properly balanced. Okay, which way shall we do to get the things balanced? Clear? I am making a very short video so that you can understand the basic concept of balancing, and I will upload a very short video next also, where I will give some examples of this. I am giving one more example. For example, you are taking Na. I am giving very short example so that you can understand. Na plus O2, Na2O2. This is what? Sodium peroxide. Na and O2. Let us see again this, how to do. NaO2, Na2O2. Na becoming 2, Na is 1. So Na 1, Na2, O2, O2. Very sorry. Na2, O2. So Na1, Na2. So we can surely this that we can multiply it by 2. But multiplying it by 2 even, we are getting OH2. But since it is not a compound, this will work. If we place 2, the reaction is a balanced equation, because Na and O2 are two different elements, and we place a 2, it is not multiplied by O2. O is 2 already. We have to make Na2 and we multiply the 2. Clear? So for balancing, you need to check out for the easiest way to find out. Check out for the easiest way to balance. Balancing, check out for the easiest way and go for short numbers. Okay, I'll definitely tell go for short numbers, because if you go for trying to large numbers, like if you are reading 30, if you are using 13, it will take a big longer process to do, and that I won't want, of course, right? Okay, last and the final example for today. Let us see this last and the final example for today. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, fine. So let's see. C6, very sorry, I'm not using the pen. C6H12O6, the reaction of photosynthesis I am doing, plus CO2 arrow O2 plus H2O plus energy. This is a reaction of photosynthesis, right? So C6H12O6 plus CO2, O2 plus H2, C energy. Now C is 6, right? C equal to 6, H equal to 12 and O is equal to 6. Going to the left hand side, no, C6 or 12 or 6, so 6 is 6 plus 1, this is H12, H is 12 only, O is plus 2, 8. Moving on to the left hand side, O is 2, H2, H is 2, O is plus 1, and this. Okay, So what you're getting 7c, you're getting 6. So see, what will you do? 3 is here O, and here O is 8. Cannot make, by any sense you cannot make 6O. So you have to think of some bigger number. Okay, so see, here you have to use your intelligence. If we put 6O2, what will it become? 12. 12 plus 1, 13. And if we put here another 6, it will become 12, and plus 6, 18. Right? 18. If we put here another 6, what will happen? 18 will become. Oxygen is done. See now, O is becoming 6C. C is 6. 6 is also done. 6 plus 6, 12. Here is 6. Here is no O. This is already pre-balanced. Nothing to do. Hydrogen. What to do with hydrogen? 2 into 6, 12. 12 is also done. So this is a balanced equation. So you have to use your intelligence. 6 into 2 we are making, so that it comes 18 on both the sides. Okay, so you have to choose your numbers very fluently. If you don't choose your numbers very fluently, your meeting may be hampered. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a good night. Hope to meet you tomorrow's meeting in the Zoom. Okay, thank you.